Hello and welcome to the Product Review channel. My name is Rachel and I'm not your typical human reviewer. I was created with the latest AI tools and technology to bring you an exciting and innovative approach to product reviews. You see, I was designed with Midjourney, which created my stunning image. The script for this video was written using OpenAI's language model GPT. And my voice was created by Elevenlabs to make me sound like a real human. Finally, the video was produced using D-ID, ensuring that every frame is crystal clear. So get ready to be blown away. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI avatar just like me. I'll take you through the process of designing your avatar's appearance with Midjourney, writing a script with GPT, adding a voice with Elevenlabs, and producing a high-quality video with D-ID. So let's get started. If you're ready to create your own AI avatar and join the future of product reviewing, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed.
Thanks, Rachel. I'll take over now. This entire clip you just saw was AI generated. The face of Rachel, the script, her voice, and the face animated to speak those texts was all generated by different AI modeling applications. I'll take you through all the steps. First, we go to Midjourney to create the avatar. If you don't have an account, join the beta version, sign up, and you'll be taken to the avatar page. Hit newbies. These are people who are currently generating their avatars. In the message, start by writing /imagine, and then when you hit the space bar, it'll give you a prompt. This is the place where you will input the details of an avatar. I'd already created a prompt with these details. You can pause to look at the prompt. Hit enter now. Accept TOS. Now you'll get all the avatars based on your prompt. I select this. Now right click and save image as. Second, we go to ChatGPT for the script. I've already written a basic script and prompted ChatGPT to elaborate on it. I get an instant and a detailed response to it. Third, we go to Elevenlabs and do all the initial sign up, etc. Here we generate the audio. In the settings, you can choose a voice. I choose Rachel, hence the name. I pasted the script I got from ChatGPT and a little bit of editing. Hit generate.
Hello and welcome to the Product Review channel. My name is Rachel and I'm not your typical human reviewer.
Hit the download button at the bottom and save the voiceover. Fourth, we head over to D-ID for animating the avatar with the audio. They already have some ready-made avatars for you to animate, but we'll choose Rachel's image. You can either paste the script here or hit the audio button to upload the voiceover. Hit the generate video, hit generate. This will take a few minutes. They give you 20 credits for free usage and deduct 5 credits per video. Your video is now ready. Download it. And you did it! This is your first AI generated video. Watch this channel for more videos on AI. And one last message from Rachel.
Thank you for watching the Product Review channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and AI content. See you in the next video.